not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it now and press the bell icon to all to get all the notifications of all my new videos.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We are grammar classes. In the previous videos we have studied kinds of nouns. There are some other kinds of nouns. They are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now what is countable noun? Countables are the names of objects, people, etc. that we can count. Countable nouns means they are the nouns which we can count. For example, book, we can count 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. Pen we can count, apple we can count, boy we can count. Means noun which we can count, they are called countable nouns. Countable nouns have plurals. We can make it plural. For example, book singular, books plural. Pen, pens. Means countable nouns we can make it plural. Next, uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are the names of things which we cannot count. Means uncountable nouns we cannot count like 1, 2, 3. For example, milk, oil, sugar, etc. Now, milk, can you say 1 milk, 2 milks? No. It is countable, but it means milk, oil and sugar is not countable. So, they are called uncountable nouns. We cannot frame its plural also. Like milk, milks, oil, oils, we cannot say. So, uncountable nouns, we cannot make their plural. Then how to identify? Most of the times children get confused in countable and uncountable nouns. How to identify countable noun and uncountable noun? Then you have to ask question. Whatever noun is given, to that noun you have to ask question, how many? For example, see, if uncountable noun, if you ask, I have 3 books, then, or I have few books, then books is underlined and you are supposed to identify whether it is countable or uncountable. Then how will you identify it? Before that noun, ask question, how many? If you get the answer, how many books? Few books. You are getting the answer, and books, how many means you can count 1, 2, 3 or few more, etc. So that noun will be your countable noun. While identifying uncountable noun, you have to ask question before that noun, how much? Ask how much milk. Can you ask here how many milk? No. Before that, if you ask how much and you get the answer, then that is uncountable noun. How much milk? Then you can say 1 liter milk or 2 liter, 1 bottle of milk, 1 glass of milk, 1 glass of milk. Means glass of milk. Then glass is countable but milk is uncountable. Oil, uncountable. But if you say 1 bag of oil or 1 liter, 1 kg, 1 liter of oil, then that bag is countable or that liter is countable, not the oil. So oil goes to uncountable noun, but the measurement in what you are counting it, bag or glass or whatever bottles, that is countable, but that word oil is uncountable. Like this only money. If I ask you, money is what kind of noun, then what you can say? Money is countable noun. We can count money, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, but not like this. Money is uncountable noun, but you can count rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. You can count money in hundreds. Then you can say 100 notes or 100 rupees. That rupees is countable, but word money goes into uncountable noun, and word rupees or word notes goes in countable noun. In the same way, hair. If you ask hair, what kind of noun it is, whether it is countable or uncountable, then you can say here I can count 1 hair, 2 hairs, 3 hairs. I can count hairs. But hairs is uncountable now. In this way, hair is normally uncountable in English, so it is not used in the plural, but it can be countable only when referring to individual hairs. In this way, we have seen difference between countable and uncountable nouns. If while studying, if you have any confusion for identifying whether the noun is countable or uncountable, you can always ask me. You can drop the message in the comment box so that I can solve your doubt, or I may help you to identify the kind of noun.